Hey, it's Brian here from quantlabs.net. Got my fan on. Okay, so tonight, midnight or whatever it is, on August 7th, 2013, as I've done a bunch of videos today. It's a big milestone. A number of things have been looked at, investigated, announced, so let's sum it all up. I've done some DevExpress demos. Real-time charting is very quick, very powerful, all .NET, C#. We've also got a .NET app written by my quant friend in London, who's enabled me to feed in tick by tick, real-time, with built-in, call it event processing. Very simple, but it's multi-threaded and concurrent and thread safe. Big, huge deal right there. That's equivalent of a stream base, a database with, let's say, SQL Server with Stream Inside, or Oracle CEP, or Esper, Nesper, whatever. On top of that, we've also got, and that would also include better than any of the open source ones like Triceps. So it's simple and it works. Now I can implement my custom coded, co-generated algorithms, strategies, indicators from Simulink, which is built visually. That right there in itself is pretty powerful. Now, when you put it all together with the tick data, with the execution library I have for executing your orders against interactive brokers, we are now shaping up to have a very powerful system. Now, if you haven't seen the charting, woo, you're missing out. If you've not seen the Simulink demos of with the Stateflow building algorithms and strategies, woo, you're missing something. Now, listen to me. I'm gonna get real close. You gotta really listen to me really carefully now. Okay. I've already mentioned this once. I'm gonna mention it again, and I'm gonna promote this like I guess I have to. This is an important announcement. Now, with all this, there's gonna be source code provided. I'm not gonna put up a trading platform at all. Not like an end-to-end trading platform. It's going to be in components of source code that you build on your own to your liking. It's fully scalable, and you can do whatever you like with it. Okay, that's going to be part of the membership. This quantlabs.net membership. Once I get this working, and I'm confident with it, I'm probably going to right then and there give a very quick, short announcement. We're now shutting down this quantlabs.net premium membership forever. No one will have access to it outside of people that I know, that I handpick, that will be part of it by invite. I've already mentioned that. Now, with the DevExpress, we're now venturing into a new world. I'm sure you know about software as a service. The DevExpress enables that, where I can serve up some kind of platform, some kind of viewing system on a web front through a browser. It doesn't stop there. With DevExpress, I can now also do mobile editions for iOS, Android, and Windows. So we're now venturing into a very powerful world. What could I do with it? And this is all, again, using all the technology of this quant friend in London. Trading in multi-million dollars. Like, seriously, folks. I mean, where do I stop? I'm just in glee here. This is like Christmas to me. So, again, I'm going to be shutting that down. So I'm going to be locking people out. And there's a very good reason for that. And the very good reason is simple. I'm limiting the number of people to take part of this. I don't need to have the world knowing about it. I'll announce it. It's up. It's available. And after, as I said, a certain date, it's gone. But there will be a new membership, but it's going to be most likely more expensive, but it's going to be better than what we have. It's going to be everything consolidated, clean, simple, really professional. As well as going to be another course added to the academy. It's going to be very expensive. I don't know the price yet, but this will will show you step by step what I went through to build a full-on platform. With all the stuff that I've already shown in the past 2.5 years, looking at every single possible platform out there. That includes Deltix, Trading Technologies, X-Trader, all the really limited retail trading platforms that have so bad bottlenecks that are going to limit you. You can't even chart and trade off of ticks, and that's where the real opportunity is. I need to showcase and demo that at some point, maybe with this new system, who knows. A lot of people say, why don't I develop my own trading platform? And these are the reasons why, because of what I've shown in these videos on this YouTube channel. It's just mind-blowing. I'm not seeing anything like this yet, and I'm building it, and source code is going to be available for it. Now, on top of that, what makes it even more unique is, again, the ability to take something built from Simulink, MATLAB, and co-generating it into C and integrating that into this platform. This is the only system of its kind on the planet. Unless, of course, you're working at maybe a Goldman Sachs or a Morgan Stanley or a large bank that I know, if you're from there, I know you guys are doing it. I've got proof, but I'm not going to prove it because somebody from MathWorks is going to kill me. So we're not going to do that. But I know you guys are using it and making a ton of money with it. But this is why I'm going to be shutting down everything after a certain time period. But it's just amazingly mind-blowing what I'm seeing. And I can scale it as big as I want thanks to the power of things like Windows Server 2012 and all the latest technologies that Microsoft brought out. You can bash Microsoft all you want. I personally don't care because I just like it, and it's fast and gets me stuff building really fast. It just makes me really productive. So again, I think you know what to do, and there's going to be some really exciting stuff coming down the pipes over the next few months, and it's really innovative stuff. Not because of me. It's just people around me in my little inner circle have got me thinking to do stuff like thinking outside the box. I'd say in crazy ways. But if you've seen some of the videos, the recent ones on this channel, if that stuff doesn't blow your mind, as I said, I don't know what will. But be on the lookout for some really exciting stuff. I'm like staying up all night because of this. It's just, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. But I just want to let people know what's going on, and I'm repeating myself and I'm babbling on, and I'm going to end it now. Talk to you later.